Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do glitter lamp, show you what the glitter lamp does, and ASMR with different types of Rubik's Cube. This will be my first time doing ASMR, so yeah, okay. Now this one, I will show you. If you do like this, it changes the colors. More details going to be my future videos, but I got this from Dave and Buster, I think, when I play games and I won the tickets, and then like it's a glitter going around and it changes the colors. And I enjoy doing this because I love colorful lights. And yeah, so I got this at Dave and Buster, and I enjoy this. This is one of my favorite item because it changes the colors and I love colorful lights. So yeah, so okay. Then if you do it, like it feels like the glitter is floating around the water. See? And changes color. So yeah, so I enjoy this a lot. Now I'm going to when it's reached 2 minutes, I'm not going to talk because it's going to be ASMR to 7 minutes. Okay? So yeah. Now Okay. Yep. So 2 minutes to 7 minutes. It was ASMR. So yeah, I hope I did pretty good on it, but I don't know because this is my first time doing this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video on ASMR. Yep. So now I'm putting this away. I'm gonna do this hard. Okay, so now I'm putting this away. This one is extreme cube. And I don't know. Okay. That's good. Okay. I hope you enjoyed my video. Comment down below and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.